Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest products. Today, we're diving into something essential for every household, the best shower filter for fluoride on the market. Introducing the AquaHomeGroup 20-stage shower filter with vitamin C and E. This isn't just your ordinary shower filter. It's a game changer when it comes to providing clean, purified water for your daily shower routine. Now, why do we say it's the best shower filter for fluoride? Well, let's break it down. First off, this filter features a whopping 20 stages of filtration, ensuring maximum removal of not just fluoride, but also chlorine, heavy metals, and other sediments. Installation is a breeze. No need to call a plumber. Simply attach it to your existing shower head, and you're good to go. Plus, it's compatible with various shower head types, so you don't have to worry about compatibility issues. But the real magic happens when you start using it. Just listen to what customers have to say. They rave about softer skin, stronger nails, and shinier hair, all thanks to the purified water this filter provides. And here's the cherry on top. It comes with an extra cartridge, so you're all set for months of uninterrupted use. Plus, AquaHomeGroup cares about your satisfaction, offering a 30-day return policy for peace of mind. But don't just take my word for it. Listen to what real users have experienced. From noticeable improvements in skin and hair quality to easier maintenance of their showers. The AquaHomeGroup filter has won over countless households. So, if you're tired of dealing with fluoride and other contaminants in your shower water, it's time to make the switch to the AquaHomeGroup 20-stage shower filter. Trust me, your skin and hair will thank you. Check out the link in the description below to get yours today.